Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Anon Trades here. Today we'll be going on with the easiest SMC strategy possible, which will turn you into a profitable trader in a matter of days, maybe even hours. Okay, before we continue with this video, quick reminder that I have a video in the pinned comments below which runs over this strategy much more easily and much more simplified, since this is my first video and I have a feeling that a lot of people won't be able to fully understand it. So if you just want a no nonsense video, check the pinned video in the comment section below. So let's run through this strategy for starters, right? First things first, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Okay, do not overcomplicate it. For starters, stick to one stick to one time frame. Stick to one time frame. You don't need to go from the 4 hour to the 1 hour, the 1 hour to the 15 minute, the 15 minute to the 1 minute, then back to the 3 minute again. No, just stick to one time frame with this strategy. Okay. Next, follow the trend. Follow the trend. I see too many people trying to place buys during a downtrend or place sells during an uptrend. Please, it's much easier to move with the current than against it. Okay, much easier. It'll lead to less headaches, and most importantly, it will lead to a higher win rate. Number two, number three, identify liquidity. Identify points in liquidity in the market, whether that be order blocks, fair value gaps, swing lows, swing highs, anything. Just identify a point of interest in the market where price will go and tap into, then after instantly reverse off of. And finally, the most important part about this strategy: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This this is so powerful, so powerful. And you may be wondering, what is accumulation, manipulation, distribution? What's AMD? Isn't that the CPU company? Shut the no. AMD, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and I'll run you through it right now. Okay, so use the paths. Let's say right now we're on an uptrend, right? Price is moving upwards. Then after that, now we entered this. As you can see, price is consolidating. This is the accumulation phase where price is unsure where exactly it wants to go. Now, and let's say, okay, it moves to the downside, right? There's maybe some untapped liquidity down here, order block, FEG. Me personally, I won't use FEGs too much as a indicator for place of entry, but they can be used in this strategy, as you can see in the examples in a couple minutes, right? Then after that, what we got is the distribution phase, where price instantly reverses off that down, off that liquidity, off that order block, off that FEG, right? Okay, so boom, 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 boom. Three phases. Price is unsure. Price goes down. Price goes up. Okay, or price goes up. Price goes down if you're going off a downtrend. Okay, so let me let me run you through some examples to better, so you could better understand what exactly is going into this strategy, right? So okay, right now we're on Eurocad 1 hour time frame, right? Let's go to this one here, for example. All right, so what we got here is the accumulation phase, where price is unsure where it wants to go. So it's just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And as you can see, price decides to go down, right? Then after it tapped, there's some liquidity down here which price decides to tap into, then leading to a reversal to the upside, and as we place our stop loss at the second closest swing low, and then after I'll take profit up there, as it is a 1 to 3 IRR. I find that to be the best risk to reward ratio with this strategy, as it's very trustworthy, and you could just 1 to 3 IRR is just beautiful. Okay, I can't describe it in any better words. That's just beautiful. Okay, another one here, right? Pri- Price is accumulating here. Then after that, it is manipulated to the downside, and it taps into our order block over here, right? And then after that, reverses one to no, 1 to 3 RR, and then boom. Yeah. So we placed our stop loss below the order block, and yeah, easy as that. Let's look at another pair, GBP JPY. So right here, this is on the downtrend now. As you can see, oh sorry, as you can see, price is currently on the downtrend, right? We enter off prices. Price is currently on the downtrend. There's accumulation right. There's some accumulation right here, right, followed by manipulation to the upside. Then after that, distribution down there. Usually when entering my trades, I either enter right at the tip, right, well, yeah, right at the tip of the candlestick, or that's a right up the tip of the wick of the candlestick, or on the 50% level of it. As you can see right here. But yeah, you can either enter 50%, which me, but I usually trust that much more than entering off right on the candle, since it leads to naturally more profits, and it's more of a, how to describe it, more of an indicator of the strategy actually properly working. Another one here, order. We marked out our order block right here, and then next, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We place our we risked a little bit more than usual with this strategy, as there was still there was a swing high up here, so wanted to make sure that we had a good place to enter. um Another one right here, we're entering off this order block. This time we were entering right at the wick of the candle, right? Then we place, as you can see, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's such an easy and basic strategy. Anyone can learn it. Anyone can learn it. I learned this strategy in literally an hour. That's how easy it is. Okay. Next, gold. Like, it works with every single pair. Every single pair. I promise you now. It's just a great easy strategy. So simple. Don't need to worry about anything. Okay. So currently we are in an up. Currently we're in an uptrend, as you can see here. Right. We have our accumulation phase. We have our manipulation phase. We have our distribution phase. We enter off the order block right here. Boom. 50% level. Easy. 1 to 3 hour. Easy as that. Okay. And we could even get a double. So take this one for example. We aimed we are currently in an uptrend, as you can see. Then after that, what we have our accumulation, price accumulates. Then after that, it is manipulated to the downside. Then what do we get? A reversal to the upside. You could either have entered on the 50% level, or right at the tip, right on the body of the candle. Either way works. And then, so for this one, you could either you either enter off that swing low, or alternatively, you could have entered off this swing low or the order block right here. Either one works. Okay, this strategy is so simple. I don't understand why I don't see too many traders use it, as this is a great strategy for beginners. Please, if you have the time, go into TradingView, open up the charts, look for accumulation, manipulation, and then after that distribution phases. It's just it's just beautiful. It's just a great strategy, especially for beginners. Even for novices, professionals, it just works. Like Todd Howard says, it just works. Okay, you don't have to risk too much. You just use your regular risk 1% every trade. I tell all of my I tell all of my mentors. I tell all of my students to always just risk 1% per trade, especially when you're trading with higher lot sizes or with more volatile pairs such as gold, US 30, Bitcoin, NAS 100, stuff like that. I tell them always just risk 1% per trade. It's like, it may not, because the thing is, right, everyone loves to rush when trading, but sticking to easy 1% per trade, it will just lead to a higher win rate, I could say. Plus, let's say, I don't know, you're doing a 10k funded challenge. You're a novice, you just started, you wanted to do a 10k funded challenge. Are you really going to be risking 2.5% per trade? Is that really a risk that you want to take, especially with all of these rules and funded challenges? You're better off just risking 1%. If that trade doesn't go well that day, then you could just risk 1% the next day. Simple as that. And this is a 1 to 3 hour risk to reward ratio. Okay, 1 to 3. So, so you risking 1%, let's say you lose that trade. Next day, you risk 1% and you make it back. Right? You're up 2%. Simplest. It's just easy maths, easy strategy, just easy SMC strategy that will pass all of your funded challenges, make you a profitable trader. Need I say more? Need I say more? Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys later in my next video. Traders for beginners. I've been working on this for too long. Anyway, catch you guys later. Stay profitable. Anyway, catch you guys later. Stay profitable, stay humble, and best of wishes to all you guys.